So guys, another session of Nnamdi Kanu's no case submission. Welcome to this YouTube channel. In case you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe bell below because in this channel, I bring you everything that is trending and everything you need to know about Nnamdi
We're here for the
Kanu.
judicial proceeding.
So let's not forget that in the last sitting, Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers submitted a no case submission that was quashed and rejected by Omotosho while adjourning that very case to October 10th. Awomolo, who is the late counsel representing Bola Tinubu and the federal government against Nnamdi Kanu, has been leveling different charges against Nnamdi Kanu. And you won't believe that Awomolo in the last court sitting told Omotosho that Nnamdi Kanu shouldn't be released and that Nnamdi Kanu's no case submission file should be rejected. Well, October 10th is already drawing close, and as October 10th draws close, there are 5 things I have here to show you guys, which Omotosho must do in order for Nnamdi Kanu to be released. And if you're a supporter of Nnamdi Kanu, these 5 things I'm about to display for you guys should be at your fingertips in order for you to get informed and get notified, and also stay very much informed with the knowledge regarding the release of Nnamdi Kanu, because these 5 things Omotosho has to meet these particular 5 criteria. Because these are the 5 things Omotosho has to do in order to secure Nnamdi Kanu's release. And Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers have been fighting toe-to-toe with Awomolo in order to secure Nnamdi Kanu's release. Awomolo, who is the late counsel representing Tinubu, brought a DSS agent in the last two court trials.
Almost global persecution.
The DSS witness testified wrongly against Nnamdi Kanu, stating that Nnamdi Kanu sent him to kill over 1,000 persons, over 2,000 persons.
I do what I do.
But he succeeded in killing only 30. This particular DSS witness who said that Nnamdi Kanu sent him to kill over 2,000 persons, when he was asked, was this information passed straight to you? He said no. Then who was this information passed to? He said it was his boss. Now, where is your boss? The DSS operative that was brought as a witness said that his boss is no more. Up until now, they haven't been able to submit a valid proof. And it was from this DSS operative that testified wrongly against Nnamdi Kanu that led to Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers applying for a no case submission file.
When my lawyers came to
because they haven't been able to prove the reasonable that Nnamdi Kanu sent him to kill over 2,000 persons.
About how I'm going to defend myself.
Without wasting much of
I told them
there's
that
a video I'm going to be showing to you guys. After showing this particular video,
to try me.
I'll be back to show you guys the 5 things Omotosho has to do in order to secure Nnamdi Kanu's release.
It's only a UK
court
that can give a Nigerian court.
So far, no strong evidence has been adduced by the prosecution against Nnamdi Kanu. Look at it. The prosecution, or one of their prosecution witnesses, I think Mr. BBB or so, all the things they asked him was saying no. At a point, the judge or Justice Omotosho got angry and was reprimanding them that if they don't have any matter to, they should stop coming and all that. It happened. So there was nothing concrete. I was thinking they are going to present a cache of arms stockpiled by Nnamdi Kanu somewhere. Because how can you be a terrorist without to call Mr. Okoro? Mention anywhere in the world where you see terrorists without a single, not even cutlass with them.
You are a lawyer. What about inciting people? Because they also said it was inciting people.
What are you talking about? Inciting in what way? Hold on.
They recovered radio Biafra equipment from him.
Hold on, please. That is not one of the hallmark of a terrorist. Politicians do incite people. 2 of us. Politicians. Were you not here when somebody told you that God told him that they should kill Tinubu's wife, Oluremi, that she's an infidel? Did it not happen in this country? That man was not even arrested, not to talk of questioning. What does that tell you? That one is even worse. The man who said it, Sheikh Tenshi. So when you are talking of incitement, I don't know what people are talking about. That is not the hallmark. That's not the prescription of a terrorist. Terrorists mean you are heavily armed, killing people, taking up territories, destroying villages and all that.
The terrorists also attack soft targets deliberately.
Is that what?
They deliberately attack soft targets.
They don't look, as long as they're terrorists.
Because it's affection between the government and the people.
Listen very well. A terrorist is a terrorist. And there are prescriptions. That's why no nation in the whole world has seen Nnamdi Kanu as a terrorist or IPOB as a terrorist group. Because
so the first thing Omotosho has to do is 1, grant the no case submission. Justice Omotosho should rule in favor of Kanu's no case submission, dismissing the charges and discharging and acquitting him of all terrorism-related allegations. The court set October 10th as a date to decide this particular issue. 2. Determine the evidence as insufficient. The judge, which is Omotosho, must find that the prosecution failed to present a prima facie case or a prima facie case as alleged by the defense, highlighting that no evidence was produced to show any person was incited by Kanu. This absence of credible proof would legally justify immediate release. Now let's go back to the DSS operative that was brought to testify wrongly against Nnamdi Kanu. This very DSS operative said that Nnamdi Kanu incited him to kill over 2,000 persons, but up until this very moment, they haven't been able to submit a valid case that backs this point that Nnamdi Kanu incited him to kill over 2,000 persons, which he claimed he succeeded in killing 30. The court have asked the DSS operative, which was submitted by Omolo, where is your evidence? Where did Nnamdi Kanu tell you to do this? In what manner? In what way? Is there any voice note? Is there any video recording? Was there any voice call? Up until this very moment, Awomolo, who is the late counsel representing Tinubu, and Awomolo, who presented this DSS witness, have failed to present a valid proof before the court. Let's continue. 3. Address admissibility of confessional statements. In prior rulings, Justice Omotosho rejected certain statements on grounds of admissibility because they were obtained without legal counsel present. Reaffirming this principle and extending it could further weaken the prosecution's case and support release. 4. Ensure transparency in court proceedings. Given IPOB's demand for open justice, justice must be seen to be done. Justice Omotosho could order live streaming and ensure full public and media access to the trial proceedings. This enhances legitimacy and safeguards fair trial standards. And finally, Omotosho must consider international legal precedents. A recent Kenyan High Court ruling declared Kanu's rendition illegal, underscoring issues of jurisdiction and unlawful rendition. Omotosho should weigh whether to rule that the courts lack jurisdiction or that the trial is tainted by illegality, potential grounds for terminating proceedings and ordering release. Don't forget that the appeal court in 2022 declared Nnamdi Kanu innocent and declared that no court in Nigeria has the jurisdiction to try Nnamdi Kanu. And on October 10th, Omotosho should abide by the ruling of the appeal courts if the law is the law. At this point in time, I'm going to allow you guys to what you feel about this in the comment section below. Do not to like this video, share this video, and hit the subscribe button below for more trending updates.